Good morning friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is 16th May 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 16th May 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, who is the president of FIH? Answer is Narinder Batra. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Nurses Day? Answer is 12th May. 12th May is celebrated as International Nurses Day every year. Next question was, the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, that is CDC, will provide how much financial assistance to India to respond to COVID-19 crisis? Answer is $3.6 million. Next, the Ministry of Finance released how much amount on May 11th to 14th state to battle COVID-19? Answer is rupees 6,195 crore. Next question was, which union ministry has launched Champions Portal? Answer is MSME Ministry. Which among the following states will develop its own standard operating procedure for the tourist visiting the place? Answer is Goa. Next, which among the following states became the first one to launch an innovative scheme, Aapke Dwar Yojana? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. And last question was, name the first state in country which provides the facility of beds with ventilators in hospitals of each and every district in state? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, which of the following departments has recently started Suraksha Store initiative? Answer is option number 4, Department of Consumer Affairs. Recently, Department of Consumer Affairs has partnered with two startups, SafeJob and Sekify, to use technology to prevent the spread of COVID-19 at the local Kirana stores. The Sureka Store initiative is designed for the health and safety of the citizens during and after the lockdown. The primary objective of this project is to educate Kirana store owners across the country about the COVID-19 safety guidelines and protocols required to be followed while running their businesses. Answer is option number 4. Next question, which state has launched initiative named Pranavayu to monitor blood oxygen levels and heart rates of patients showing influenza-like illnesses? Answer is option number 3, Karnataka. Recently, Karnataka government has launched an initiative called Pranavayu, as many COVID-19 patients have low oxygen levels that puts them at risk of complications. This initiative will help each individual to monitor blood oxygen levels and heartbeats of patients showing influenza-like illnesses in fewer clinics. Answer is option number 3, Karnataka. Karnataka, this is Karnataka. Capital is Bengaluru. Governor is Vijayawala and Chief Minister of Karnataka is B.S. Yedurappa. Next question, which of the following organizations has released the State of the World Nursing 2020 report? Answer is option number 4, WHO, that is World Health Organization, has recently released the State of World Nursing Report 2020 in partnership with the International Council of Nurses and Nursing Now. According to this report, there are 28 million nurses across the world, but still there is 5.9 million shortfall of nurses. Answer is option number 4, WHO. Long form of WHO is World Health Organization. It was established on 7th of April 1948. Its headquarters is in Geneva, which is in Switzerland, and currently Director General of World Health Organization is Tedros Adhanom. Next, who has been appointed as the new chairman of CBSE? CBSE is Central Board of Secondary Education. It was formed in 1962. Headquarters is in New Delhi. Answer is option number 1, Manoj Ahuja. Recently, Manoj Ahuja has been appointed as the new chairman of CBSE. Answer will be option number 1. Next question, name the places of Pakistan occupied Kashmir which has been included in Indian Meteorological Department's weather forecasting for the first time. Options are Gilgit Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Mirpur, and both 1 and 2. Answer is option number 4, both 1 and 2. In the wake of coronavirus crisis, the Regional Meteorological Center of the Indian Meteorological Department has included the areas of Gilgit Baltistan and Muzaffarabad, which are parts of POK, that is Pakistan occupied Kashmir, in its weather forecasting for the first time. The department has taken this decision as it says that it is the part of India and the country always maintains its position that POK belongs to India. Answer is option number 4, both 1 and 2. Next question, What is the grant that was provided by Shanghai-based BRICS New Development Bank as loan to India to fight against COVID-19 recently? Answer is option number 4, $1 billion. Recently, New Development Bank has provided the loan of $1 billion to fight against COVID-19. Answer will be option number 4. Next question. Which state government has recently launched Sambal Yojana to strengthen the lives of poor and Dalit communities? Answer is option number 4, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government has launched Sambal Yojana to strengthen the lives of poor and Dalit communities in Madhya Pradesh. Answer will be option number 4, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, this is Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal, Governor is Laljit Tandon, and Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next, what is the rank of India in World Economic Forum's Global Energy Transition Index 2020? Answer is option number 274. Recently, World Economic Forum has published a index called Global Energy Transition Index 2020, and according to this index, India is at the 74th position. First position is carried by Sweden, second position is carried by Switzerland, and Finland is at the third position. India is at the 74th position. What is World Economic Forum? World Economic Forum is an international organization for public-private corporation committed to improving the state of world by engaging businesses, political, academic and other leaders of society to shape global, regional and industry agendas. It was formed on January 1971. Its headquarters is in Switzerland. Next, name the Indian state which has launched Hope Portal to help unemployed youth of the state. Answer is option number 1, Uttarakhand. Recently, Uttarakhand state government has launched Hope Portal to help unemployed youth of the state. It will also offer skill development opportunities to increase their employability. The portal is Hope, and long form Hope is helping out people everywhere. Answer will be option number 1, Uttarakhand. This is Uttarakhand. Capital is Dehradun. Governor is Baby Rani Maurya, and Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Next question. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Family Day? Answer is option number 3, 15th May. 15th May is celebrated as World Family Day, or it is also called International Day of Family. It is celebrated to promote awareness of issues related to families and to increase knowledge of the social, economic and demographic processes affecting families. And theme of 2020's World Family Day was Families in Development. Families in Development was the theme of 2020's World Family Day. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which nation was top military spender? Answer is option number 3, US. Recently, SIPRI, that is Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, has released a report of top military spenders in 2019, and according to this report, US is at the first position, China is at the second position, and India is at the third position. Now today's question is, with which of the following company has Vodafone Idea launched Recharge Sathi initiative? Options are Flipkart, Paytm, Google and Amazon. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss this question in the next video.